All right, so here's another example right here. We have 2x minus 3y to the fourth. All right, we're going to do the vertical method again, but the thing here is I want you to notice this time the exponent is 4. So what I'm going to do is, we're going to look at this row right here. All right, row 4. Okay, so we're going to do the exact same steps that we just did on the previous problem. So we're going to start with our coefficients again. So we're going to go 1, 4, 6, 4, 1. And then we have 2x all the way down. And then we're going to have negative 3y all the way down. That one doesn't look much like a y. There we go. All right. And then remember with our exponents, we're going to start right here. Since this is a 4, we're going to start 4, 3, 2, 1, 0 in descending order. And then we're going to start here. All right. 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Like that. Okay. So now we're just going to simplify all this, all right, straight across. So we have 1 times 2 to the fourth is going to be 16x to the fourth, and negative 3y to the 0. Remember, anything, all right, a number raised to the 0 power is 1. So that's 1. Negative 3y to the 0. All right, right here we have 4 times 2x cubed. So 2 cubed is going to be 2 times 2 is 4 times 2 is 8. So 8x cubed. And right here we have negative 3y. Right here, let me make that look like a negative because that doesn't look negative. There we go. All right, right here we have 6 times 2x squared, so that's 4x squared, and then negative 3y squared. Remember, if you a negative times a negative, so negative 3 times a negative 3, negative 3 squared is positive 9. So we have 9y squared. All right, right here we have 4 times 2x to the first, which is just 2x. And negative 3y cubed, negative 3 cubed. So if you had one more negative here, right? Negative times a negative is positive, times a negative is still negative. So negative 27 y cubed. And then lastly, we have 1 times, remember 2x to the 0 is 1. So 1 times 1 times negative 3 to the fourth. Well, negative 3 times negative 3 is positive 9, and if you do negative 3 times negative 3 again, it's positive 9, and 9 times 9 is 81. So 81y to the fourth, all right? So anyway, like we did with our last problem, now you just multiply straight across. So 1 times 16x to the fourth times 1 is going to be 16x to the fourth. Right here we have negative 4 times 8, which is, 4 times 8, which is 32. 32 times negative 3, 32, 64, 96. So a negative 96 x cubed y. There we go, straight across, x cubed y. All right, right here we have 6 times 4 is 24, so 24x squared. 24 times 9y squared, 24x squared times 9y squared is going to be 216 x squared y squared. Right here we have we have 4 times 2x, which is going to be 8x. 8x times a negative 27y cubed is going to be a negative 216 xy cubed. Man, I'm running out of space over here. And lastly, 1 times 81y to the fourth is 81y to the fourth. So those are our solutions. So when we write this out, all right, we're going to have 2x minus 3y to the fourth is equal to 16x to the fourth minus 96x cubed y plus 216x squared y squared minus 216x y cubed, and then I ran out of space, so at the bottom here we're just going to throw in 81y to the fourth. So that's your solution right there. I'm just going to rewrite it real quick. So again, there you go. I wrote it out for you. There's the solution.